So, you're looking to create stunning videos, but maybe you don't have a Hollywood-level budget. Maybe you don't have weeks to spend in a complex editing suite. Well, what if I told you that you don't need either of those things anymore? The landscape of video creation is shifting, and it's shifting fast, thanks to AI. We're at a point where the barrier to entry for making high-quality, engaging content is lower than it's ever been. Today, we're diving deep into exactly that, looking to create stunning videos without breaking the bank. Here are the top 5 free AI video maker websites for 2025. These aren't just basic editors with a few extra features bolted on. We're talking about genuinely intelligent platforms that can take a simple idea, a script, or even just a blog post and turn it into a polished video in minutes. The key here is that they're all powered by AI, which handles a lot of the heavy lifting, from finding the right stock footage to timing your scenes perfectly, and even generating subtitles. And the best part? The core of what makes these tools so powerful is accessible for free. You can get started, experiment, and produce some seriously impressive content without ever pulling out your wallet. Throughout this video, we're going to break down my top 5 picks. I'll walk you through what makes each one unique, who it's best for, and the specific AI features that set it apart from the competition. We'll look at everything from user interface to the quality of the final output. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which tool is the right fit for your next project. It's a pretty exciting time for creators, so let's get right into it. These are the best free AI video makers you should be looking at right now. Alright, first up on the list is InVideo. Now, if you're someone who values speed and efficiency without sacrificing a professional look, this is probably where you should start. The entire platform feels like it was designed from the ground up to get you from idea to finished video as quickly as humanly, or rather, artificially, intelligently as possible. Their standout feature is their massive library of AI-powered templates. We're talking thousands of them, for literally any use case you can imagine. YouTube intros, social media ads, promo videos, you name it. It's incredibly intuitive. You basically just pick a template that fits your vibe, and then the AI gets to work. You can feed it a simple text prompt like create a video about the benefits of remote work, and its AI will generate a complete first draft. It pulls together relevant stock footage from its library, adds text overlays, and even selects a fitting music track. From there, you just step in to make your tweaks. The interface is clean and user-friendly, so even if you've never touched a video editor before, you won't feel lost. It's less about building from a blank canvas, and more about refining an already solid, AI-generated foundation. The real power here is for content creators who need to produce a high volume of videos consistently. Think social media managers, small business owners, or YouTubers who need quick, polished B-roll sequences. The free plan is quite generous, allowing you to export videos with a small watermark. It gives you full access to the AI tools and a good portion of the template library, making it a perfect testing ground. For anyone intimidated by the complexity of traditional video editing, InVideo's guided, template-driven approach is a game-changer. It's a seriously low-friction entry point into the world of AI video creation. Next up we have Pictory, and this one has a very specific and very powerful superpower. It excels at turning long-form text content into video. If you're a blogger, a journalist, or have a business with a library of articles, this tool is designed for you. The core premise is simple, but executed brilliantly. You take a script you've written, or even just the URL of a blog post, paste it into Pictory, and its AI reads, understands, and visualizes the entire thing. It's kind of magical to watch it happen for the first time. The AI engine analyzes your text, sentence by sentence, and automatically finds relevant, high-quality stock video clips and images to match the context of your words. It doesn't just look for keywords. It seems to have a genuine understanding of the sentiment and subject matter. It then assembles these clips into a sequence, automatically adding captions derived from your script. You can even have it generate a surprisingly natural-sounding AI voiceover to narrate your text, or easily upload your own. It takes what would normally be hours of searching for stock footage and editing and condenses it into a few minutes. What I appreciate about Pictory is its focus. It knows exactly what it's good at, transforming text into video, and it nails that experience. The interface is stripped down to the essentials, guiding you through the process step-by-step: script, visuals, audio, and then export. While it might not have the granular editing controls of a full-fledged editor, that's not the point. The goal is to create engaging, informative videos from existing content with minimal effort. For anyone looking to repurpose their written work for a video-first platform like YouTube or TikTok, Pictory is, without a doubt, one of the most efficient tools on the market. Coming in at number 3 is Lumen 5. This platform shares some DNA with Pictory in that it's great at converting text to video, but its approach and interface feel a bit different. Lumen 5 positions itself as an AI-driven storyboard assistant, and that's a pretty accurate description. When you input your text or a link, it doesn't just create a video, it presents you with a storyboard of suggested scenes. Each scene has a portion of your text and a recommended piece of media, which you can then easily swap or adjust. It feels more collaborative, like you're working alongside the AI. The user experience is built around a very clean drag-and-drop interface. You have your storyboard on one side and a massive library of stock photos and videos on the other. The AI does a great job with its initial suggestions, often finding surprisingly creative and relevant visuals. But if you don't like a clip, you can just search the library and drag a new one into its place. It also has some neat AI features for formatting, like automatically highlighting keywords in your text overlays and adjusting the composition of a video to fit different aspect ratios, like square for Instagram or vertical for shorts. Lumen 5 really shines for marketing teams and businesses that want to maintain a strong brand identity. You can set up a brand kit with your specific colors, fonts, and logo, and the AI will apply it consistently across all the videos it helps you create. This ensures that even with the speed of AI generation, your content remains on brand and professional. Their free plan lets you create a handful of videos per month with a watermark, which is more than enough to get a feel for its power. If you like the idea of an AI partner that helps you brainstorm and lay out your video structure, Lumen 5 is a fantastic choice. Number 4 is FlexClip. And this one feels like more of a traditional video editor that has been supercharged with a suite of impressive AI tools. While others on this list are hyper-focused on one specific workflow, FlexClip aims to be a more versatile, all-in-one solution. It has a familiar timeline-based editor that will feel comfortable to anyone who's used editing software before, but it also integrates AI in some very clever ways. It offers a free plan that's surprisingly robust, making it a strong contender for general-purpose video creation. Where FlexClip really stands out is with its collection of discrete AI tools. It has an AI video script generator that can write a script for you based on a simple prompt. It has an AI image generator, so if you can't find the perfect visual in their stock library, you can just create it. There's also an AI text-to-video feature similar to the others, and an auto-subtitle tool. It's like a Swiss Army knife of AI video features. You can use these tools individually or combine them within the main editor to build your project from scratch, giving you a ton of flexibility. The combination of a classic editor with this wide range of AI assistants and a massive library of stock assets makes FlexClip incredibly powerful. You can start with an AI-generated script, use the text-to-video function to create a baseline, then dive into the timeline to fine-tune the edits, add your own media, and polish it to perfection. This makes it a great fit for users who want more creative control than a fully automated platform might offer, but still want to leverage AI to speed up their workflow. It strikes a really nice balance between automation and manual control, making it a great option for a wide range of creators. And finally, rounding out our list is Kapwing. This platform has been a favorite in the online editor space for a while, but its recent push into AI tools has made it more compelling than ever. Kapwing's biggest differentiator has always been its focus on collaboration. It's essentially the Google Docs of video editing. You can share a project link with your team, and everyone can jump in and edit in real time, leave comments, and work together on the same timeline. It's incredibly powerful for teams or anyone who needs to get feedback on a project. Now they've integrated a whole suite of AI-powered tools directly into this collaborative environment. Kapwing has an excellent Smart Cut feature that automatically finds and removes silences from your video, which can save an enormous amount of time when editing talking head footage. It also has AI-powered tools for generating subtitles, removing backgrounds from videos with a single click, and cleaning up audio. It can even generate video clips from text prompts, similar to the other tools we've discussed. These aren't just novelties, they are practical, time-saving features that are seamlessly integrated into the editor. What makes Kapwing special is this marriage of collaboration and intelligent automation. A team can work together on a script, use the AI to generate a first draft of the video, and then collaboratively fine-tune the edits, all within the same browser window. The free tier is very generous, offering watermark-free exports for videos under a certain length and access to most of the AI tools. If you work with a team, or if you just value a fast, browser-based editor with smart, practical AI features that streamline the tedious parts of editing, Kapwing is a top-tier choice that you should definitely check out. So, there you have it. My top 5 picks for the best free AI video makers you can use in 2025, from the template-driven speed of InVideo and the text-to-video magic of Pictory, to the AI storyboard assistance of Lumen 5, the all-in-one power of FlexClip, and the collaborative genius of Kapwing. The right tool for you really depends on your specific workflow and what you're trying to create, but the amazing thing is that all of these platforms offer a powerful free entry point, so there's absolutely no risk in jumping in and experimenting. The barrier to creating professional-looking video has never been lower. The pace of innovation in this space is just incredible, and what these tools can do today is just a glimpse of what's coming. I genuinely encourage you to try out one or two of these platforms for your next project. You might be surprised at how much you can accomplish and how much time you can save. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're always exploring the latest tech that can help you create better content, and you won't want to miss what's next. We're just scratching the surface here. This is a conversation, and I want to know what you think. Which AI video maker will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Or maybe you're already using an AI tool that I didn't mention on this list. I'd love to hear about it. Your feedback and experiences help everyone in the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.